Now at 6, big news as Wells Fargo makes big money. We find out what this means for Charlotte and for you. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us at 6. I'm Bobby Sisk.
And I'm Jennifer Copeland. Sonia and Dave are off tonight. Well, after months of bad economic news, finally a glimmer of hope. Wells Fargo announced big gains in their first quarter returns today. And now analysts are predicting Bank of America and others may follow suit. News Channel 36 reporter Natalie Dick is live now in Charlotte with what it all means to you.
Well, it's good news, obviously, and in one word, we can sum it up by saying jobs. You know, whether it's fewer layoffs here with the big banks in Charlotte or if it's new positions that are created, obviously these returns are welcome good news.
The day started off on a different note uptown. Workers thrilled to hear the financial industry's tune may finally be changing.
It was wonderful news. After so many quarters of bad news in the financial industry, this is it's a nice little ray of sunshine.
Economists
This is just fantastic news.
are outright beaming.
It could be that we come back faster and we come back stronger than what we had originally anticipated.
Wells Fargo is the first major U.S. bank to announce its first quarter results, and the gains were big, at least by standards of these uncertain times.
I think it's the beginning of stabilization.
Wells stock is up almost 33%. Mortgages to refinance soared. Even new home sales are beginning to slightly move.
I think we've seen the bottom, and I think it will improve eventually, but I think it's going to take some time.
And you know, this really also is very bittersweet for many of the employees here in Wachovia. The reason for that is because 40% of that revenue boost that Wells saw, they said, did in fact come from Wachovia. As for Bank of America, well, they're expected to announce their numbers next week, and analysts are already predicting that will be yet another big boost for Charlotte. Reporting live from South End, I'm Natalie Dick for News Channel 36.